In this exercise, we will learn the basic workflow after opening the document, and it will appear something like this. Okay, we can see on the left side we have many tools here, and these tools are the main ones, and they're a very, very important part of Photoshop. And here we can see a little arrow key. We can click on it to expand the tools in one column or in two columns. We can adjust it easily. If we don't see the Tool Options bar, then go to the Window menu and select Tools from there. Okay, we have the Control Option bar, and every tool has its own control option, and that will appear here. If we don't see it, then go to the Window menu, and here we can choose this option. In the Window menu, we can show or hide any tool very easily. Okay, on the right hand, we have some panels. We can click here to expand them, or we can hide them by clicking on this little arrow key. And we can separate each panel easily. We can just click and drag it to separate, like this. And then we can move it back, something like this. You see, we can adjust each panel very easily. If we don't see layer options, then we can go to the Window menu and click on Layer to bring it forward. And here we have Color and Swatches panel. We can also separate them like this. If we don't see these panels, then go to the Window menu, and here we can see these. If we want to click on any panel, then click on it. Then we can close it. Okay, now here we can see a little icon. Just click on it. We can see the Workspace window options, and we can choose any of them. If we want to work on a 3D type of work, then we can choose the 3D option, something like this. And if we want to work with graphics and web, then choose this option. And we can use this for motion, printing, and for photography. We can choose any of them. There's not a big difference between these types. Each and every workspace will have the same tools for all. The only difference will be that the view mode will be changed so that it is personalized to the job that you need to complete. And below, we can see the recent graphic and web option. That means that if we do anything wrong, make any mistakes, and things don't go the way that you want them to, you just click on the reset option to bring your setting to default so that you can start again. All right, now we have the menu bar, File, Edit, Image, Layer Window, and Help. If we want to start a new project, we can click on File and New. And here we can select the size and option. Then click on Create to start a new project now. We can open a Photoshop or image file by clicking on Open. Photoshop is an amazing software for graphic use and editing images. Each and every tool is easy to use. Thank you.